doesn't know. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then your smile over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told her. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played the cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I'll never show. I wanna stay with you until when growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring coffee with kiss on your hand. I take the kids to school, with them goodbye. I thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I figured I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. And you looked as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, your love is more words and wait and go. We come so far, my dear, and look how we have grown. But I wanna stay with you until when growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you're always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs gives out. I promise to that we part like in our vow. So I wrote this song for you, now everybody knows. Darling, it's you and me until when growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Just say